Welcome to this unboxing video. I received this today and I just wanted to open it up and show you some Commodore 64 games that I've received. I know one of the things in here is a very rare New Zealand program that was Photoshop before Photoshop was a thing. So I'm very excited about opening this up and finding that. Okay. Who remembers playing this game? These are all Commodore 64 games. Avenger, I think this is going to be a VIC-20 game, but yep, it is. Huh. Fly just flew past, but I don't know if you saw that. Actually, I remember this book back in the 80s, actually. Geos, got, here we go, Chain Reaction. Just because in there. A couple of Delta Drawing. The Flight Simulator 2 probably. Another book for the Commodore 64. Actually, it's not even in English. Actually, I live in New Zealand, so this is quite surprising that this was in New Zealand auction, and I have no idea what language that would be in. And that's weird. Another one. And Dutch, maybe German. I have no idea. I'm not too sure what language this is at all. Interesting. Alright, here's the cool part. Wow. A lot of games there. I'm going to move this to the side. Got a lot of tapes here without cases. The amazing thing is, all those are originals. Actually, I'm just going to there we go. Thunderblade, awesome game. There was a Fire, Gauntlet, Bongo Pete. Wow, there's a lot of original games without cases. Okay, here we got this Commodore format. Which I do have this one already. Okay, I do like collecting original Commodore 64 games, so in the cases, so these are the sort of things I'm after. And a lot more Galactic Games, it's a cool game. Caesar's Travel, Castles of Dr. Creep, Punchy, Flight Simulator 2, obviously that belongs in that game. I remember these blank tapes. Now this is what I was after. Well, one of the things I was after is Combat Links. Hopefully the game's in here. Sweet. It is. Cool. The value pack. It's one of those compilation tapes, I believe. Yep. For the Commodore 64. Some of them are quite good, those compilation tapes. Wheels of Fire. Got a Theatre Europe, blank tape. Just a blank tape, random tape. These Commodore ones, I actually remember having this is on my first Commodore 64 that I ever got. Had these tapes, Lemonade Stand. I remember playing that all the time. Quite a good game. You got Star Wars. There you go. Formula 1 Simulator, that's actually a really good Commodore 64 game. The music by Rob Hubbard is probably better than the game itself. We've got Magic Micro Mission. Actually, I don't have these four games. I don't actually have, and there's Space Hunter as well. I don't actually have those games. Don't have that game in my Commodore Computer Museum. Well, actually, I do now. Blagger, The Wheels of Fire, Kane, Star Walk, Beachhead, awesome game. Sequel, even better. Wow, there's actually a lot of tapes in here. But this is for the Commodore VIC-20. It's a RAM expansion cartridge, 16 kilobytes. What's in here? Just a random tape. Another random tape. Okay, this is... I've been after this for years. This is the Paint Pick. It's actually a New Zealand made software that the makers, which I interviewed not long ago, well actually the widow I interviewed, they described it as Photoshop before Photoshop was a thing. And I've been after this for years. Oh, perfect. It's complete. Alright, I'm going to do a video on this because it actually was a really good program and some pretty amazing artwork. I've actually got the original, probably about an A4 size image of this one here called Room, and from the owners of Paint Pick, and I'll show you that in the next video. Really good program, and I'm really excited to see this. Actually, the only reason I brought this whole box because I could see in the stack this edge here, and I was like, wow, I gotta get this. And the whole box ended up costing me $120. But considering there's some original games in here, it'd be perfect for the Commodore Computer Museum, and this made it worthwhile because I'm trying to document the history of Commodore computers in New Zealand, so this is a very important part of that history. So I'm really pleased to get this. Alright, so what else we got? Frank Bruno's Boxing. Bit of a classic game, eh? Oh yeah, complete, cool. I've never actually placed a couple of games on there. This one here, the box is in such bad condition. It looks like a pretty cool box though, eh? I'll try and restore this as much as I can. Ooh, some pretty bad condition. Valhalla, and I've never actually played that game before, which is strange because it was the game of the year in 1984. I'll see what I can do with the restoration of that box. TASWord, the word processor for the Commodore 64. I remember this. Gore-Tex and the microchips. Yeah, there's a pretty good package. I'll just. Oops. Oh wow, okay. Now, this is cool. It actually comes with complete. Oh, that wasn't very bright. Thanks. This is not my usual setup, so that's why everything's flying everywhere. I'm in the process of rebuilding my Commodore computer room. It comes with the actual original badge, which is pretty cool. Okay, so what else is in here? Well, and my knees are really hurting. I'm actually kneeling on the ground to do this. Just an average game. I'm just gonna change my position. So what else? A lot of random tapes. Just random stuff there. Just more random stuff. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's different. Oh yeah, original Beachheads. This must be in the original case, but the sleeve is gone. Oh, Beachhead. Armadillo. This one does have the case, the sleeve. Wing Commander. I didn't realise Wing Commander was made for the Commodore 64, but there you go. Commando, awesome game. And Super Pipeline 2. Just more. Oh, Metroblix 64. The very first game I played, and it got me hooked on to playing video games on my Commodore 64. This must be a music tape because it's got Steve Winwood, Phil Collins and Blondie. I don't remember any games with them on. Dire Straits, Supertramp, Eruption. Haven't heard of Eruption, but the rest, pretty cool. Computer program. Oh, okay, it's just a blank tape. C10. Jumpstart. Oh, I have this already, but mine's in really bad condition. In case this is pretty cool. It has digitalized speech on it. Ghosts and Goblins. What a very cool game. One of the best games on the Commodore 64. Red Arrows. Some pretty good nick. Got Winter Wonderland. It's funny how some of these games come out in dual cases, but only had one tape. I think that's the only tape that comes with it. Weird that. Then we've got Super Dogfight for 2 players. I think that'd be probably quite cool. Tomb of Tarabash. Oh, this is for the +4 or C16. We've got 3D Scramble. Actually, that's a really good game. Actually, I've played that game a few times. And you got Scramble, both good games. Spitfire 40, the flight simulation program. Very cool. And Harbour Attack. I do have this one already, I must admit. Oh, actually, this is for the C16 or +4, which I don't have. I remember these computer hits. Sometimes they had pretty good games in them. And the Space Pilot. And pretty much that's, oh no. There's Kickstart. Kickstart 2, of course, even better. Typing Tutor. Oh no, well, Typing Practice. And then, of course, these games, these cases here, are just full of very basic Commodore 64 games that you'd get with different Commodore 64 packages. The New Zealand Quiz, C64 Intro, the as I mentioned, the Lemonade Stand. I just love playing that. Really taught you about buying and selling, of course. So that's the box that turned up today. There's some really cool things in this box. I'm very, very happy to finally get Paint Pick, though. I must admit, that's actually the prize in this whole pack. I look forward to doing that video soon. Thanks for watching.